Okay, so I've been having a couple of ignition issues with the ball ends. It does run, but I have to use the jumper cables on it. You've probably seen it in the last video that I uploaded. But you can start it with this. So all I need is a push button to go between it. And we're going to go up to the junk pile and look for one. Okay, made it to the junk pile. Yeah, it's a little messy and a little hard to get through. But we have two safeties that we should be able to use off of this mower right here. We got one under here, which is a push button, but I don't know which order it goes in, whether it's down for off or up for off. But we also have this safety right here, which is a seat safety, and should work just fine. Okay, we got the seat safety off, and it's got some wires to go with it. I know for a fact this one will work. I got my little toolbox there. It's an old coffee can. But we got these wires in here, and there's 5 of them, it looks like. So there's going to be some more testing if this one will even work. Got her tilted up. This was just held on with a little plastic tab. There's thorns everywhere, and it's making my job really difficult. But we got the parts we need. Now it's time to go put them on. Ended up being orange. All the yellow ones got cut off. But now, works like a treat. Okay, got to put a little bit of tape right here. This tape's already bad. Got to put a little bit of tape right here. But okay, so I got a couple new things to put on the mower. We got some traveler lights from Tractor Supply. They're like 50 bucks. They've got interchangeable color rings, and we have all these colors to choose from. A whole 4 of them, 5 of them, 5 of them. We got a wheel spinner. It'll make it easier to drive and film at the same time. And a 2-inch ball so I can pull trailers. So that's what we're going to be putting on today. I'm thinking something like this. I think it's going to be pretty neat. And they're waterproof. They've even got these really nice waterproof connectors. Okay, it's been a lot of work, but I got the switch mounted up, and the switch runs these right here, and they're super bright compared to the normal headlights. So that's amazing. It has came out perfectly. And I got the wheel thing mounted. So now, sitting on it, it'll be easier to drive and film at the same time. Push button start. All this has came out really well. Okay, it's a little dark. You can't see the mower at all, but there's lights. There is video here. Just a little explanation of what we're doing. Got the lights put on. It's dark outside, so we're gonna start it and see what the normal lights do. Turn on the bright lights and see what she looks like. So here's the normal lights. Here's the bright lights. that video?
I am still videoing. Well, that's what happens when you have two rednecks and a lawnmower.
Oh, my frame!
Oh, he bent it up bad.
Alright, it's fixed.
Yay! Good enough.
Thumbs up.
Battery's coming out though. Here,
It's
take
fine.
your phone and still videoing.
Quality!